Might as well get a little revs in while we're here, right? Currently on our way to Ducati. I had to interrupt this install because I ran into a little bit of an issue. So here's what's happening. I don't have a big enough torque wrench to torque back the rear tire, so I didn't want to pull it off to the rear hiker and the chain guard. So we're gonna allow Ducati to do that, and we'll be right back on the install. Well, then enjoy a little bit of a lane splitting goodness through New York City. I'm loving this motorcycle with each mod that I do to it, with each setup that I adjust. This bike is becoming the perfect, absolute perfect weapon, man. Revving and then people just moving out the way. Awesome. New Yorkers tend to get it, man, when we're slitting. Very few of them get upset, except the Karens, but people tend to understand a little bit more here in New York. So I like that a lot. We're gonna jump on the FDR, boys. Make our way down to Soho, Ducati, New York. Oh, there's work ahead. That's what's going on. Let's make dirty work of this. By the way, I did order a big enough torque wrench, but it's gonna be weeks before it gets here, and I didn't want to wait. I want to finish up all the mods for this bike and really just focusing on my wheelies and enjoy myself the season. So oh my god, so good, man. I love this motorcycle. That's our exit right there.